Hi Wildcats, this is just a quick video on how to export a 3D file that you've created from Onshape so that it can be 3D printed. So here is the file that I've created. It's all ready to go. It is sketched and then has been extruded and all the features given to it. So now I'm ready to 3D print this. I start by coming over to the part that I am on, that I'm working on and want to 3D print, and I will right click on it and there is an export option. So when I click export, it should bring up a menu for me. It will ask me for the file name. I usually name this, or ask my students to name this last name, first name, and then what it is. So yours would be Lego, or this is LED holder, something so that I can know whose file that I'm printing at what time. The format is important. We need to make sure that it is STL. This is a file format that is common for 3D printers, and the one that our school has will use STL. So make sure it's on STL file format. Binary format is fine for this. Units is also important. There are a couple options. Hopefully you have switched over to millimeters so that this is in millimeters. But if not, for some reason it's not, you need to make sure that you have selected millimeters. If you select something else here, it will cause the printer to misinterpret the dimensions that are included and create a very small or very large object. Resolution doesn't matter. Medium, I think, is the default. Options is download. That's what we want to do because we're going to upload it to Classroom, and then we won't need to deal with individual files because we have just created one file. So click OK. It will bring up a menu. Save this to wherever you want. We'll double check and see, yes, this is STL file format. From there, you can save it to wherever you want. I will just put it on the desktop. Click Save. And then once you have this, you will not be able to open this file. So this is important. Often students will download and then double click, and their computer says, can't open. You don't have the software, most likely, on your computer that you need in order to open this 3D file. So it's not something that you need to be able to open a .stl extension. You just need to have this file. From there, you will go to Google Classroom and submit this file along with the technical drawing or orthographic sketch that you have created, and I will be able to use those two to not only assess your skills but also create or have the 3D printer create a 2:1 scale Lego for you to keep. As always, if you have questions on any of this, stop by class and I can give you a hand.